Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to look at the different table layout in MS Excel Pivot Table. This is the dataset that we are using, and you can see here there are three fields I have brought to the row. One is genre, and there is another is language, then title. So there is a hierarchy here. You can see this is action is the genre, then this is the language, Cantonese is the language. These are the movies. Similarly here, action genre, this is the language. These are the movies, English movies. Okay, movies title. Okay, so you can also change. Suppose you want to see language, you can take to the first label. So this hasn't changed. You can see Arabic, then comedy. This is caramel. So like that it is coming. Let us reverse it. Okay. So this is the hierarchy: genre, then language, then title. Okay. Suppose I want to see the title of the movie that begins with A. Okay, alphabet A. What I can do? Suppose I check here. Okay, here there is a filter, row level filter. Okay, label filters begins with. Okay, so you see it's a label filter. What is the label filter? It is filtering the genre. Okay, genre means action. Okay, but what I am looking for, the title that begins with A, it is not the genre. Okay, so this is not what I am looking for. Okay, then you can see also. So then this is called, okay, then this is the language. Okay, suppose I want to check the language. Okay, label filter begins with the language, particular language that I can also write. You can see label filter language has been selected. A, B, C, D, whatever you can write, you will get it. But that this I am not looking for. What I am looking for? I am looking for the title. So anywhere in the any of the title I can click, then I can check here. Okay. Then label filter that begins with title, that begins with title A. Okay, I am getting what I am getting. You can see English. First action, this is genre, English language. Then these are the movies that begins with A. Okay, you can see. Similarly, then you can also, after this animation is coming. Okay, these are the title. Then English, then crime also genre we are getting, documentary also we are getting, then fantasy we are getting, then horror also we are getting. These are the different movies that we are getting. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, so I do not want this in the form of one hierarchy. What I want these in separate columns. Okay, instead of actions, instead of genre, instead of language, instead of title, I want these to be in separate columns so that I can filter it out very easily. So what I have to do, design, then we have report layout. This is the outline form, you can see. So now genre is in a separate column, then language is in a separate column, then title is also in a separate column. Okay. So I do not want this blank has to be there. Okay. This blank, you see in hierarchy, this hierarchy is still there. You can see because this is the first row, then this is the second line, then we are getting here. These are the titles. Okay. I am getting the title here. So I do not want these gaps to be maintained also. So therefore, what I need to do, I have to go here and I can also see show in tabular form. You can see. So these are separate table. That means these gaps are also deleted. So this is the first column, that is the genre. Second column is language. Third column is this is title. We are getting here. This is how we can see the table layout. Okay. So we need to click inside the data, then design. We can check the different report layout. Suppose we want the compact form, we are getting the first form that we had earlier, the hierarchy, where we got the hierarchy here. This is actions, then language, then title. Okay. So this is genre, language, and title. This is the hierarchy form. Suppose I do not want the hierarchy form, then I can opt for outline form. Outline form means, so instead of hierarchy, we are getting each field in separate columns. Okay, suppose this is not suitable for us, we can also opt for this show tabular form. That means the gap that we are having in the rows, that is deleted here. Okay, we are not getting the hierarchy is not clearly appearing here. but we are getting our data. So here what we can do, we can use the filter here. Okay, suppose I want to use filter A to Z, I can also use, or label filter, whatever I want to do, I can also use like this. Okay, that's for the lesson. See you in the next one.